Welcome back, boys. Today, after discussing acid and bases with you, I'm going to discuss what are indicators. Indicators are the substance which can differentiate between an acid and a base. So, if you want to differentiate between an acid and a base, you can use indicators. Now, indicators are of two types. One are common acid-base indicators, and one are universal indicator. Now, common acid-base indicators, boys, you have seen, even though you have seen universal also, but let me tell you about common acid-base indicators. Because these indicators you are using since your class 7th or 6th, whenever you started going to the chemistry lab, you have used these indicators. Let me give you a name. Litmus paper. We all know that litmus paper we can use to tell whether a thing is acid or a base. How? If we dip in a solution a blue litmus and the blue litmus become red, we say the solution is acidic in nature. And if we take a red litmus and we put that in a solution and the litmus paper become blue, then we say the solution is alkaline or basic in nature. So these are the common indicators which you know. Litmus paper, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein gives you pink color in a alkaline medium and it remains colorless in the acidic medium, which we have seen in the founders project. I have done that fountain thing and that magic thing by using phenolphthalein. Now, what about universal indicator? Universal indicator can tell you a bit more. They can tell you a bit more. They tell you whether a thing is acidic or alkaline, or shall I say basic, but at the same time they also tell you how much a thing is acidic or how much a thing is basic. For that we can use a pH scale. Which scale? pH scale. pH scale basically give you hydrogen ion concentration. It give you hydrogen ion concentration. So we take 7. It's a scale in which numbering is there. It's a scale in which numbering is there. So we take 7 as the neutral. We take 7 as the neutral. So if any solution has a pH 7, we call it it's neutral. It is neutral. But what if the solution has pH less than 7? Then it will be acidic in nature. And on the contrary, if the solution has pH more than 7, like 8, 9, 10, 11, then it will be alkaline in nature. Now, boys, what is the good thing here? That you can tell or you can differentiate between two acids or two bases. More you go towards the left side, means if I have one solution having pH 5, another having pH 2, this will be more acidic. This will be more acidic. In the same manner, if I have a solution having pH 9 and a solution having pH 11, this will be more alkaline. This will be more alkaline. So pH scale give me a better idea. So universal indicator give us better idea of acid and bases, and common indicators we can use just to get the basic idea. And a very important thing which come in your exam, that blue litmus turn red in acidic medium and red litmus turns blue in basic medium, and sometimes they ask you phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein remain colorless in acidic medium and it turns pink in alkaline medium. Thank you, boys.